I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright, the same spark that lights the dark so that you can know your left from your right. I am the ballad in your box, the bullet in the gun, the inner glow that let you know to call your brother son. The story that just begun, the promise of what's to come, and I'ma remain a soldier till the war is won.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the comic shop. It's BZ Comics, and as you can see behind me, I've created quite the projects. Like most of us, I started 3D printing during the pandemic, and I actually didn't want to start doing this. I actually want to create a mask that we can wear that will filter out the air that we breathe, so that way we can get back outside and back with our loved ones. But as you can see, I kinda got a little bit carried away in the time. And in this time, I've not only learned a lot that I want to give to you guys, but I've actually met a lot of cool people and sponsors in the time. Definitely check out the link below for $10 off with PCBWay if you don't have a 3D printer or a resin 3D printer of your own. But definitely stay tuned for the journey, guys, not only from arms and cosplays to helmets to swords to whatever else you can think of. I'm going to show you exactly how to scale, print, and make them just for yourself. Now, some say life is like a box of chocolates. I like to say life is what you make it, so create. Welcome to the comic shop. It's BZ Comics, home of creation and engineering. I hope I was able to spark your mind to get something started. If not, check out some of the videos down below because I'm sure to get you going. Let's get to it. Let's be some creators. It's BZ Comics.